Hey everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel your team order and get your money back. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, open your team app and log in into your account. Once you are in, head over to your order history by clicking on the account tab at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on your orders. Here you will see a list of all your recent orders. Alright, so find the orders you want to cancel and click on it to view the details. So if the order hasn't been shifted yet, you will see a cancel order button. Just simply click that button and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. So in my case, I use a cash on delivery, but if you choose a card or an online payment, Timo will start processing your refund once the order is cancelled. It will depend on your payment method that you use. It may take a few days for the money to appear back into your account. So, what if your order has already been shifted? So unfortunately, you won't be able to cancel it directly through the app. You can reach out for the support center and tell your issue, or you will need to wait for the package to arrive, then initiate a return through the app. Alright, that's it. I hope this video helps you with your team orders. Thanks for watching and good luck.